Hello, traders. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, we are definitely finding some support at the 61%, as you can see. Now, if this right here is just a bear trap, then potentially it could just keep on going up. Now, the reason why I think this is mostly because of my JPY basket analysis. The JPY basket never did break structure to the upside, which means that this move down could be a pullback within an uptrend still. Now, it also could be some sort of a big top on the weekly. If it is some sort of a big top on the weekly, then it will not break up on shorter time frames, and it could even start a brand new downtrend like this. So how are we going to know? We're gonna right now. I would definitely be bearish, and I would definitely be looking for shorts. But while I'm looking for shorts, I would be paying attention to my structure as always. Now, this is the structure on all the other JPY pairs. This one didn't make a new lower low, but I would definitely still call this my structure. We had this big push down last Thursday, and ever since then we have a little bit of a battle between the bulls and the bears. If this really is just a bear trap, then it will break up with momentum. It will make a pullback, and then from the break up on, I will be looking for longs every single chance I get. But as of right now, I am definitely still looking for shorts, unless it breaks structure. So I would be looking for shorts, and there's a chance that at some point this goes down, makes a new lower high, eventually goes down, makes a new lower low, and potentially starts a brand new downtrend on the daily time frame. So as always, definitely pay attention to your structure. Your structure normally does keep you trading in the right direction, especially if you know what a structure break really does tell you. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.